Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you how me and Elijah are going to put up a Christmas tree. But Elijah, I don't know. Someone took the base of this tree, put it in the bin, and then when the garbage truck came, we throw the garbage in the garbage truck. Can you guess who is that person? Yes. Can you guess? He's actually in front of you now. Can you guess, guys?
Yeah, boy.
Yes, we find the culprit. Elijah. Yes, Elijah. You are the one. Yes. Again, yes. Are you guilty, Elijah? Yes. Are you guilty, Elijah? Yes. Are you guilty, Elijah? Yes.
Elijah, did you put the base in the bin?
Did you put the base in the bin, Elijah?
No, it's in the last bin.
Did you put the base, Elijah? Did you put it in the? Did you put it in the bin? Look what you did. Now we have to improvise, guys, and because of that, by the end of this video, you're gonna see what we can do. Remember, we are all scientists here, so we're gonna experiment and see what can keep this tree firm. All right. Perfect. All right. Elijah, do not touch anything until I come back. Stay right here, Elijah. Yes, do not touch. I'm coming. As usual, Elijah don't normally touch stuff. What? What did I tell you? Do not touch my stuff, Elijah. Thank you. This is that. Do not touch my stuff. Thank you. Now, Elijah, are you going to help me? Are you going to stop me from doing this? Perfect. I'm just putting some sand. Yes, Elijah. Elijah, you can help me. Do not. Elijah, stop putting your finger there. Elijah, stop it. Look what you're doing. You're messing up the place. You little boy. Let me finish doing what I'm doing. No, I said, let me finish what no, don't do that. Let me finish what I'm doing. Thank you. Elijah, you can't take it. This is my funnel. I'm using it to put the dirt, or the sand there. So, guys, not my fault again. Elijah, you're supposed to be supporting me in this experiment, and you're just spilling the sand on mom's carpet. Elijah, put it inside. Oh, yes. There it is. So now we can decorate our tree. Now that we have our base, we're going to decorate it. Elijah already ahead. No, not to eat, but we're going to decorate our base. Elijah, come. Come, Elijah. Yeah. Yeah, no, you're calling me, but come. Come. Put it on like this. There, girl. Alright, don't pull it off. Don't take it off. Elijah, you popped the thing. Just told you not to take it off. Very hardworking. Helping me a lot. Yes, you're helping me a lot. Thank you. Alright. Put it on the tree now. We're going to put it on the tree together. Elijah, put it on the tree together. Let's go. Not in your mouth, little boy. Let it go. Thank you. Thank you to you too. Never tell you to put it in your mouth. We'll put it on the three. Look. Noise. Thank you. Here's one. Good. Put it on the tree as well. Put it on the tree. Yes. Put it on the tree. Look. Look. What I just said. I said put it on the tree. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. Don't tell me thank you. Because you haven't done it yet. Come, let's go. Put it on the tree. Good. Yes. Elijah. Good. All your hands. Yes. Perfect. Don't take it off. You're taking it off. Just leave it like that. Nice. Nice. Very helpful, Elijah. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your help. Indeed. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. You're tired now. Good. So I can finish doing this with you, Elijah. I don't have to be worrying about you touching anything else because you're tired. You just sat there and pretended as though you're tired. And you're touching my stuff again. Elijah. We don't take the mouth back. Elijah, don't take down anymore. Don't take down anymore. I'm talking to you. Don't take down anymore. Yeah. Yes. Don't take down anymore. No. Yes, no. Yeah. Yes, don't take that. Yes, I'm talking to you. Elijah, your football is right there. And now for the lights. Wow, guys, Elijah his Christmas tree. He just wanted to touch a star. You can't touch it, but it's very nice. You can see, very pretty. Yes. A party time. Yes, guys. Look how pretty it is. Yes. Christmas a come. Yes. Something went wrong with my mic. I'm not sure. But I want to thank you guys for all your support that you have given us throughout the entire year. It's really been helpful. And I want to, no, both of us want to wish you guys a happy Christmas and a prosperous New Year when it comes. Yes, Elijah. So until then, see you.